Welcome aboard Skylark Outdoors here, and today we're going to be giving you a tour and review of the 2024 Regal LX6 boat, which we've got right here. We're transitioning away from ski content into more summer-related content, boating, outdoor activities, and today we're going to take a look at this Regal LX6 at the Palm Beach 2024 International Boat Show. So let's get started. They've got this boat listed for $196,000 and it's fitted with a Yamaha V6 300 horsepower outboard. Now in the back here you've got speakers and controls for the stereo system, and then you've got these two seats here where you can actually fold that seat back either forwards or back to kind of give you a daybed effect. Now as we look at this boat, what I do like is the layout. There is a lot of seating. You've got this bench seating here and then some built-in speakers and cup holders on the side. And then both of these bench seats, you can actually fold that seat back over, and that's going to give you even a larger seating or daybed effect for when you want to just hang out. You can see we've got more cup holders over there behind the seat, and then this shows you that little mechanism that is going to allow you to fold that seat back forwards or backwards, so you can face either the rear or the front while you're sitting in those two rear seats. As we go over here to the helm, you can see the station and operator layout. You've got the single Yamaha control. You've got two Garmin units here. And then what's really nice about this boat is you actually do have a bow thruster. Not necessarily needed for this size boat, but it is going to make it a lot easier for you to control and dock this. Over here, we've got the head, and you can see it's nicely contained. So when nature calls, you do have an option when you're out on the water. We open it up, and you can see you've got even a little sink inside the head there, a toilet. Now, it's a little bit small for me, but it definitely is usable, especially in emergencies. Now, as we shut that, you've got some nice little storage on top of the head here, and then we've got our typical bow rider setup with a couple of speakers. You can fit probably 2 to 4 people up here nicely. And then inside the front of the boat here, we've got a little anchor storage, or actually where the windlass is hooked up. So this does have a windlass on it, and you've got all the controls right there. So thank you for coming along on this review of the 2024 Regal LX6 boat, and we'll take one last shot of the stern here. You can see that really nice layout, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.